Hey everybody, my name is Michael Muschket and I'm the product manager for WEINIG USA. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make custom windows and doors on the Conturex Vario XS. We're going to start the process by putting our raw material on our Infeed table. The material on the Infeed table corresponds with the software and the products that we have in our production list. After I put the material on the Infeed table, I simply have to push the button to confirm that the pieces are laying on the Infeed table. The machine will then start moving and singulate the individual pieces and start the production process. Our custom window that we're making today will take about 6.5 minutes. That is 8 parts. After that, we're going to run a 5-piece door, which will take around 6.5 minutes as well. Each product is fully customizable. I'm going to start the button now to start the production process. Right now, the pieces are moving into the Infeed system of the machine. As the pieces are moving to the next upper section, I can start loading the next products onto our Infeed conveyor. As the pieces are moving into our machine, we have a measuring system up front. Right now, the machine is confirming my material thickness, width, and length, and the machine is comparing those to my program. If I would have accidentally loaded the wrong part first, the machine would catch that by verifying my dimensions with my raw material dimensions. My first work pieces were handed off to my second table. While the second table is working, my first table is being loaded with my next work pieces. While my first 2 work pieces are being prepared, the machine already has the next pieces lined up. Once all production steps are done on my Vario table, the machine will do the handshake to my second table. Once the handshake is done and the pieces on my second table, my first table will come back to grab my next 2 pieces. The machine has a total of 4 tool magazines, 3 internal tool magazines, 1 for each spindle. Then we have a big external tool magazine right here behind me. The machine has an automatic tool changer. The tool changer will always make sure that I have all the tools that are necessary for my one product in my internal tool magazine. The Conturex that we have here has 4 cameras. The first camera is looking over our Infeed. We have 2 internal cameras looking at the machining process, and then there's a 4th camera looking at our Outfeed. As the pieces are coming off of our machine, they're going to be loaded onto our Outfeed conveyor belt. Right now, behind me, we can see a complete window and a complete custom door. All this was done in about 13 minutes. The next step is taking the pieces off the conveyor belt and start the assembly process. Right now, I'm moving the pieces forward so I can take a label off my label printer, put it on my workpiece so I can easily identify them. As I'm taking one label off, the printer is going to automatically print my next label. As you can see, the quality of our product is first class. As the pieces are coming off the Conturex, there is no further machining necessary. The machine will do operations from all 6 sides. I have all my holes for my corner connections. I have all my routings for my hardware. The next step is the assembly process. Assembly couldn't be any easier. Just add a few dowels and you get a perfect corner connection. And here it is, a complete window and a door right behind me. With the Conturex Vario XS, we can make 60 custom windows or 70 custom doors in an 8-hour shift. Not only can we do windows and doors, the Conturex can also make custom furniture parts, shutters, and staircases. Here we have it, the Conturex Vario XS. The Conturex comes in many different models and sizes. We will build the machine specifically to your needs. To learn more about the Conturex, contact your local WEINIG representative.